Hey everyone, welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some easy, simple barbecue ribeye steaks. So let's get started. These are my ingredients right here. Everything will be in my description box. That's my 99 peach VSOP. That's going to take this thing right over the top. So let's get into it. So you want to season your steak. You want to season it liberally. Well, my steaks were super thick, and this is why I really seasoned them. However, if you have smaller, thinner steaks, just use your common sense, But you want to add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Those are the spices I use. If you have an amazing steak seasoning you prefer, go ahead and use that. So you want to just press your seasoning into the steak, and then we're going to sear it off. Alright, so you guys know I don't use the barbecue sauce straight out of the bottle. I never do, but now we're just going to mix everything together. So you want to add your barbecue sauce, your brown sugar, and your 99 peach or whatever vodka or rum you have laying around. Just put something in there to pump it up. If you don't do alcohol, use some orange juice. Use something. Just don't use straight out the bottle. You want to mix that up just like this. The point of this basically is to thin it out. I want it to thin out because it has to simmer on the stove for at least 5 minutes. And I just don't want you guys to use water. So just thin it out. Chicken stock, orange juice, something. I did have a lime laying around, so I decided to use it. So you want to add a couple tablespoons of lime juice. And y'all, the lime juice really took it over the edge for me. I really love the lime juice in here. Mix that up, and now we're going to move on. So you want to add some melted butter to this skillet right here, and then I'm going to add my steaks and sear them off until they're cooked to my liking. But I cooked it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Like I said, they're super thick. And you want to turn it over just like this. Look how amazing golden brown it is. And then we're going to add the onions, and I'll show you guys what I do next. After you add the onions and they cook off for about 2 minutes, then you want to add the barbecue sauce. Just like this, cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And basically that's it. And this is what it looks like. First of all, that peach, that 99 peach is what I keep smelling. It just smells so amazing. So I'm going to plate this up, and then I'm going to taste it for you guys. Do y'all see how tender this is? First of all, it's not overcooked. It still have some pink because we didn't boil it to death. I mean, simmer it to death. I can't believe how tender this is. Look how it's falling apart. Hope y'all give this a try, y'all.